Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the 2x spicy noodle challenge, or the ramen challenge. But we just got it off of Amazon today. The package came in. But yeah, this is what it looks like. There should be about 5 packs in here. So it's gonna be me, Allie, and maybe my brother Jordan who are gonna be doing this. We already have some water boiling up top. Don't mind our dirty stove top. But we're boiling some water. Talise, what the heck are you doing? No, it's gonna be too spicy for you. But this is what the back looks like. It's 545 calories per package. What you have to do is boil water, put the noodles in, then you have to pretty much strain the water, then put in the sauce, and then you have to fry it, I guess, and then put the flakes in. But that looks cool. Well, it looks like it's just me and Allie who are going to do the challenge. So Allie's water is boiling right now. Shut up, Jordan! You said you didn't want to do it, you baby. Come on, me. But the noodles are definitely thicker than like American ramen. But my water isn't really boiling yet, so I got like a couple more minutes before I can put mine in. Ooh, look at it. Ew. Ow! We're draining Allie's noodles now.
Oh wait, 8 tablespoons of water?
You can just put that in. Ooh. I'll take those.
There's this thing.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, I can see Lonnie wearing that.
I know. I got 2
Why does it look so small?
Alright, put in your sauce now.
This one?
Yeah. I think mine are done boiling.
Oh. So this one first, and then just... Ooh. Oh my god!
Dude, that looks so dark.
It looks like blood.
True.
We're gonna
Don't
die.
try it yet.
I'm gonna have to call in to work tomorrow. Oh, yeah, I have the poops today.
Ew. Alright, I'm gonna drain mine. Okay, so now I'm putting in my sauce.
I wonder if that's my new phone.
Oh, mine's not even on. Oh.
I'm gonna love my packages.
Oh, I'm scared.
Well, I got some on my finger. I don't want to taste it yet. Literally just looks like blood, dude.
Yes, my package is great.
I'm so scared.
Hello.
We picked like the worst day to do a video.
I know.
Oh, that's so cute. I want it.
It's like saggy.
What's the for?
I don't know. I just thought maybe somebody would want it for the other day. Or whatever.
Well, we're gonna die, Mom.
Oh, I lost my little electric one.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put in whatever these seasoning things are. I have no idea what that is, but I'm gonna pour it in.
Oh, yeah. But I wasn't going to go. But we just did that.
Oh. Now we're gonna mix it. Dude, this actually smells kind of good.
Smells like death. Just kidding.
I don't know where my suckers are, but I'm gonna go.
Ooh, it's soaked in there. Oh.
I think we can eat all this.
Yeah. Maybe. At least we're going to the beach today.
What does that smell like? I didn't smell
Fish food.
Oh, yeah, that smells like seaweed, dude. I think that is seaweed with some, like, little seeds in it.
Why is there Chinese words?
Cause it's from Korea, dude.
Those are pepper seeds.
Oh my. It's probably why it's so hot. What? I do.
Are those cute shorts? Jordan, I do. Mom, there's pepper seeds in like, ghost pepper seeds.
They're not ghost pepper seeds.
She said, mine's too dry.
Alright, I think that's cooked enough. I'm gonna get my bowl.
Well, I'm scared.
I just wanted a big bowl because I'm trying to be extra here. Look at that.
Super big bowl.
Let's pour it in. Ooh. Oh, it just like popped down.
I just came out as one.
I should have just put the seasoning in the bowl.
In the bowl.
Yeah, that would
So
have been
now
better.
it's stuck on the bottom.
I mean, there's some in there. It's whatever, dude. Here it is. This up.
Smells like Chinese food.
I know.
Makes bracelet.
So pretty.
Okay, so this is in my bowl, and then that's Allie's bowl, and now we're gonna take it to the table.
Why does it look like
Ooh, let's go get some milk. It's just because I got a bigger bowl. So, we're ready to start it now.
We're gonna die.
Are we gonna do this at the same time or what?
Or what? Lonnie, I'm scared.
Are you gonna do it?
My heart's beating.
Alright, let's go.
Yo guys, you guys about to die?
Dude, it's already hot. I feel it going down my throat.
What does it taste like, Allie?
My eyes are watering.
The back of my throat is
It's all
burning.
steaming.
And my ears feel like they're burning.
I just chewed a seed.
Oh my god. You guys don't take
We have to finish the bowl.
Guys,
I feel it in my stomach. I can finish it. It's fine. We're fine. We got this.
is that high, you guys?
Yeah, duh.
He knows I'm here. He knows I'm here. Ole, I would never eat that. Ole.
My nose is running.
Yo, are you guys getting pooped on? Is it hot?
I'm crying.
We told you to shut up, Jordan. Dude.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
My mouth is getting tingly. Well, Jordan, you would have started crying.
I'm not crying. It's just so hot. My eyes are watering. You do. I want to drink my milk, but I
see how
can
long
eat
you
it. Dude, I feel like I can't even chew it. Like I'm literally just swallowing my ear. my god. Alright, I need to drink water. I'm not even kidding. I don't.
I'll drink water. That's not water.
This is how much I have left. I've had like 4 bites.
I have a whole bowl still.
I need like Kleenex or something.
I know my nose is all running.
Oh, my whole mouth is getting tingly.
I know, my cheeks, like, my lips are all red.
Dude, ah!
Walter, land by me.
Oh my gosh. I look like I was crying for days.
Walter, land by me. There should be some people on the bottom. We'll try and get them.
Dude, my mascara is all running.
I'm not letting someone
I feel like my face is twitching.
No. The right one under me, so.
That definitely helped a lot. But my face is like
My
literally
face,
twitching.
yeah.
I feel like it's twitching.
Behind me, behind me, behind me.
Can you, I don't even know if you can see if it's twitching.
No, he got
Is
me.
it? I'm about to bring the whole jug out.
Barney.
The whole jug out.
Look at
Oh, the
water.
milk. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hi, people. Hi, background.
Holy crap. My lips.
Dude.
I'm like shivering, but it's not cold. It's like
I'm just shaking. Oh. Oh, dude. Can you hand me that? Oh my god.
Do not try this at home, people. Don't try this at home.
oops.
Oh my god. I still have like 6 bites left, dude.
I mean, it's not to the point where I'm sweating. Sorry, I'm not even finished yet.
Too big of a bite.
I told you guys, take a small bite.
I'm so sorry y'all had to see that. Oh. Somehow I think I got it in my eye, or it's the mascara or something.
Oh my gosh, you guys. My eyes are watering right now, you guys.
Was that
Well,
just
get
tweezed,
us
dude?
some toilet paper.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh. That's
Talise, can you go get us some toilet paper for our eyes? Oh my god, I have drool or something.
I know, so that I was like coming down. I was like, what?
I need more milk. It's like a constant burn in my mouth.
My stomach's gonna be so upset. I can feel the pain already. What the heck? She just gave us a little piece.
I don't know if I want to eat anymore.
They're eating chili Pepsi.
What? Dude, your lips look like swollen.
I know. It's like the color of my shirt. I don't have lipstick on.
Okay. Yeah. God, I look better far away, dang. I still have a lot to eat. And then that's the stuff I spit out. I feel like I need to puke. You want to try a bite, please?
Like that.
A noodle? Just a little noodle?
Try this noodle.
No, get her, come over here. You want to try it? Come in the middle. Uh-huh. Okay, you gotta show him.
Here goes nothing. We're back.
A little noodle.
Spicy?
Oh,
She threw it on the ground.
I don't even, I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Like one time I filled the bowl with a bunch of milk because I just was about to make them eat a whole jumbo like this out of that. Oh my gosh.
Dude, what am I on? Like my third cup of milk?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. That was my first time I did that.
I'm just gonna take little bites now because that's better.
You need a puke.
Yeah.
Please stop.
Why'd you open the window? It's getting too cold in here.
Close
Can you
it.
close the window?
I was like, we're gonna die. I think like, oh my god. She walks over the camera.
All the way. Thank you. Dude, I'm feeling like full or something. Like my stomach just feels bloated or something.
Wilbert won't even eat it.
Why did you just... Please get out of the camera view. Sit on the chair. Are you gonna eat anymore?
I feel like if I eat more, I might just throw up or
I
something.
felt like I was gonna throw up when... Dude, my eyes are like a constant red.
Hold on.
can you back on your arm?
One. Here. One.
It got stuck in my braces, so it's like halfway down my throat.
Ew. Ugh.
Why am I even fanning myself? It's not that I'm hot, it's my mouth is hot.
I'll give you a chug jug.
Oh my god, I can't read right now because I just ate that.
You wanna try some more?
No. She has 2 suckers in her mouth.
You should have Mom try this. You know how she'd react, 'cause she is not. She likes hot food, but
spicy.
she is a baby.
Jeremy, come try some.
No.
Just try a
you're gonna
noodle.
die.
One noodle.
No, not even one noodle.
A little one?
At least my eyes have stopped watering.
Same. I think I got used to it, or maybe it's just the milk.
Yeah, the milk is helping. But it's still like a constant burn on my tongue, on my inside of my cheeks, a little bit on my lower lip.
You guys should just like take like little bites.
That's what I'm trying to do. I mean, we don't have to.
That's a challenge. You have less than me.
Come on, don't even there.
Or
Dude, every time we lift it, I feel like it just looks the same.
Alright, come on.
ooh, it's already coming out
No,
my
I'll use
butt.
it, I'll use it.
Just kidding.
I got something to do. Alright, let's go. Guys, gather up. Gather up.
Hello?
Let's go.
It's shampoo.
Our 2 brothers. Up here.
Dude, it's bothering me that I still have...
Eat.
Please, Bakayan.
Southeast, 45.
We told you that you had to be quiet.
I got a P90, I'll just melt them.
Ooh, I feel
Can you
like
finish it?
They're building up here. They're building up.
Wait. I'll give one noodle.
who is that?
Who?
Fight me, brother. Fight me. Fight me.
Yeah, who is that?
Holy crap, brother.
We're all newsy, dude.
I know you're really stoned.
I don't... Those... They don't look familiar. We have like a basketball
Like,
hoops outside of the back of our yard for people on the res to play at.
Stay away from
And
my
also a
friend.
new park that we just got.
It looks nice and it's fun.
I need the minis.
there's a new pop that we got in the backyard.
You wanna just be done? I don't think I can finish this.
You guys?
Like, I feel like if I try anymore, my stomach's gonna explode.
Yeah, my stomach's gonna be messed up
I said
tomorrow.
these bouncers to get out.
I mean, I don't work until 8. I mean 10.
guys?
So
On this show, I saw like these guys ate too many of that stuff, then like their whole body exploded.
they were eating seaweed.
Someone else.
Guys, you guys just tell me you're gonna be feel weird tomorrow, and you guys are gonna have to like have diarrhea or something.
You are very right about that.
You are too, from looking at.
But yeah, my mouth is still burning, dude. But the milk is definitely helping. If we did not have the milk, I'd cry. Dude, we should try giving this to Wilbur. Bert, you want it?
He smells it. He doesn't even take it.
Go drink the one you get to the store.
See?
My phone's right there.
He's so confused. He's like, no, thank you.
I'm gonna try everything.
Are you gonna try and finish it?
Yeah,
Shouldn't we be traveling
you should try.
south? Not
A couple more bites.
north.
You really just said all that.
Mm.
Salty.
probably salted in somewhere. I'm gonna give you a shadow for a second.
What?
Was it burning?
I just feel like if I pay attention to how much it's burning, I'm gonna like freak out. Wilbur, up, up, come on, up, up, up. No.
Oh my god!
Dude,
Dude!
are you okay?
I just swallowed it and then it came right back out.
Yeah.
But honey just ate that whole hot noodle.
Where is she? Oh my god. Honey is our little chihuahua, by the way.
Honey, are you okay?
Hey, tonight.
What?
What? I'm gonna call night.
Dude, that was a full thing of milk. And look at how much we freaking drank.
I'm all lactose intolerant too. So my brother's gonna be super upset tomorrow. So mom, can you eat it?
No, but you're not eating none of those noodles. I bet.
I feel hella full.
Yeah, so do I.
Oh my god.
It's like one good bite.
Yeah.
But I feel like if I put too much in my mouth, it's gonna
He's drooling
make
for
me
them.
fall.
He just drooled on my leg.
Oh my gosh. Look
You
what
just
Honey's
sniffed
doing
it.
from the
Why
hot
is he drooling
spicy.
on my leg?
Allie, she's drinking the water from
Oh, she's drinking the water. Honey, she's... Oh, that person has long hair.
That's Pablo.
That is not Pablo. I don't know who that is. It looks like a tree.
These noodles are all cold too. They're all like, they're warm when we got them, but then now they're cold.
Still spicy.
Dude, Allie, look how much you got.
Give me some more toilet paper. Will I try finishing?
Oh, you got to puke.
It smells like Chinese food, but like sesame chicken.
It's from Korea.
So these came from all the way from North Korea? Whoever made
I can't
these,
finish.
you think they actually eat the whole thing without like straight face? Even just eating one noodle makes my mouth spicy.
My mouth is like breathing fire right now from that noodle.
Girl, you didn't even eat it. Quit playing.
No, and then I was like upstairs. I was like, I was like about to throw up almost upstairs.
Please, Bakayan, how many times do I have to tell you that? I can't do it. For some reason, it's getting spicier. Yeah.
Someone's calling again.
Oh, the phone's dead.
I think there's like this challenge where if you drink like a 2-gallon thing of milk, you end up throwing up. But sometimes when people get down to like more than
So will
halfway,
it make
they
you
throw
throw
it
up?
up.
I said, will it make us throw it up?
Oh, sorry, Bert. I elbowed you.
Item for one.
Alright, I think I'm just gonna stop because I really feel like.
Yo, these things got aimbot. They're just letting you know. Give you a heads up.
Please, could you get us more toilet paper? More. I need more. My nose
The
is
whole
starting
thing,
to
just
run.
bring the whole thing. Why would you lick it? At least I blew my boogers in there.
Alright, no, trust Mason. I'm coming, bro.
Ew. Stop. Ew.
Oh, that's McGeezy's brother.
Brother.
No?
No, so
And
our
maybe a
RPG.
friend.
Oh.
No, no. There's a neon sculpture for. Oh. I'm gonna try finishing. There's DMing for days in here. Rage. I got this. Rage. Oh, rage. Rage. Can't end like this. Or unless someone gets a headshot with the one. So,
Here you go.
boy, if you fall to your death.
Dude, you are so far from being done. Alright, let's make this my last bite.
Oh my god, Mommy, you're done.
I just can't think about it.
My lip is burning right now from that noodle.
I was gonna throw up, but I just did it out. I was already like, and then I was like, what?
Welcome, y'all. I'm gonna swallow it.
You're like,
Yo, stop.
why are we just bringing out little pieces?
I was like, for some reason I swallowed it and it just came right back
Yeah,
up.
what's happening to you? Like, around it or something.
I'm done. I can't. This is how much I have left. And that's the stuff I spit out.
From the noodles right now, my lip is like burning like a hot pepper. I feel like I'm gonna swallow up.
Well, that's gonna be, this is it. This is us trying to eat a full bowl. Allie didn't finish. I almost finished. And it was really spicy.
Oh, shut up, you didn't eat anything.
And my mouth still feels like it's on fire, dude.
You look so dead. Before we were all happy, like, oh, just like,
Bakayan! Bakayan!
What does that mean?
Be quiet. What the heck are you doing? What the heck was that? Oh my god. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll put the link in the description on where I bought the 2-time spicy noodle. And I hope you enjoyed this video.
enjoy.